Okay, magandang gabi. Unboxing the brand new Taurus T4. So, inside, pagkabukas po natin, ayun, may kasama siyang Taurus T4 manual. So, this one is the flat top version, 14 more than 14 inches yung barrel. Then may kasama siyang 30 rounder na magazine. Parang fiber plastic. So dalawang piraso. And then kasama dito yung kanyang sling. Bale, ano siya? Anong brand ba itong sling niya? Taurus din yata ito. Saan yung brand dito? Taurus o 511? I think Taurus din. Ay, ito. Taurus din siya. And then the unit itself, okay, so this is 14.5, semi lang po, semi. So ito siya, close up, and then adjustable. The other side, ito po, takpan ko lang serial number. Yan, may serial number. So overall, ganda siya. Yan, the new Taurus T4 flat top series. Almost 1 year na inantay bago i-release ni seller. Ay, worth the wait naman kasi maganda. And then may kasama din siyang cleaning brush, dalawang pirasong cleaning brush. And then I think wala na, yun lang. So lalagyan natin to ng scope and maraming bala para i-zero yung makukuha nating scope. So that would be all. Thank you.